So now we're about ready to add the wing, and in order to do that, we're going to run a piece of bungee from the bottom D-ring that I've got on the crotch here. Now there is a plate that comes with it, but that's coming in a later post. So what I'm going to use is just a kind of a homemade bungee style connection here. This is about a 3mm piece of bungee, and what I'm going to do is just stick this through a slot made into the tri-glide. So I'm just going to pull the actual D-ring clear and open this slot. Just going to modify the end so it goes through a little cleaner. So once the two pieces are through, they're just going to come back to create the shape on itself. The D-ring now is just slightly lower than the lumbar pad, and that bungee is ready to be used for the base of the wing. We're going to use an M6 bolt for the top of the wing. So I've got a bolt, a nut and a washer, and I'll flip this over and then we'll connect it. So here's the top part of the wing. Bolt will go in through the top, and then the nut and the washer will go onto the other side. On the bottom, we've got that bungee loop now, and what that's going to do, we put these back through the bottom grommet. And this is what's going to create the tension to keep the wings snug. So here, we're just going to do an overhand knot. I'm just going to push that knot closer to the base of the wing. And I'll tidy that up once I've got the tension that I want. And in this action is what's going to keep the wing close to the body when we're diving. I've got then the wing arrow already made up on a piece of bungee. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these two bits of bungee and put them down onto the inside of the wing. And I'm just going to tie an overhand knot on the inside. And when I do that, I'm just looking to make sure that the lines are parallel. And then when that's around the body, and that's nice and tidy. Same thing on the opposite side. I want to have a tab on the other side. So the exact lengths, of course, I'll fine tune when it's on. So then if we turn this over, we'll take a look on the front. So then this is the underside, and you can see the overhand knot that's here. And just tighten that up and make sure the rungs are parallel. And you would just cut off the excess once you are happy with that. And then that's the base of the wing there.